Your inability to focus heavily reduces your chances for success in life. The fastest and easiest way to achieve long-lasting focus is by decluttering your immediate environment. Reducing unnecessary distractions in your environment reduces the cognitive load on your brain and hence aids your focus. You have a lot of control over how you choose and order your personal environment. You're both the gatekeeper and the manager of your environment. But lately, you have been neglecting your duty of keeping out distractions and ensuring sufficient clarity. And the more distractions you allow to enter, the higher will be the cognitive demand to achieve a focused state. Your brain's dorsal attention network must work relentlessly to suppress all those distracting stimuli. Make its job easier by decluttering your environment. Too many people are solely concerned with strengthening their focus muscle and are oblivious to the chaos in their environment. By all means, go and work on your focus capacity through meditation and other mindfulness activities. They're highly beneficial, but don't make life harder than it has to be. Reducing the potential distractions in your environment also reduces the necessary focus power. This goes back to the concept of working smarter, not harder. It's sometimes easier to simply remove an obstacle than to exert more energy to overcome it. This makes total sense when you understand that your mind's dominant state is one of almost constant scanning. Evolutionary survival depended on our brain's accuracy in scanning our immediate environment. Any stimulus must be scanned regarding its potential threat or reward value. Potential threats will make you uncomfortable, while potential rewards will tempt you. This scanning happens mostly on an unconscious level, and it aims to ensure homeostasis, which is the body's way of maintaining internal stability and balance. The more stimuli there are within an environment, the more scanning needs to be done. As focusing requires you to block out all other stimuli and only focus on a specific thing, the simplest way to improve your focus is by just removing some of the competing stimuli from the environment. Now, our environment is more complex than ever, with three distinct forms. There is obviously our physical environment, which is the tangible world in which we can move our bodies. Then there's the inner environment, which on the mental side roughly represents our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. And on the biological side, the internals of our body, consisting of physiological components and substances that work together to support cellular functions and organ systems. Finally, and thanks to technological advancements, we also have a digital environment, which includes countless sub-environments on our devices, apps, and of course the internet. Today we zoom in on the physical and digital environment, as they provide the quickest results with the least effort. To declutter them and hence unlock a decluttered focus, you need to follow 4 simple steps. First, identify. Consciously screen your physical and digital environment. Try to identify as many potential distractions as you can. Start with the obvious and gradually work towards to the more subtle ones. Consider immediate distractions as well as potential future distractions. Ask yourself, what distraction could unexpectedly arise in the future? This could be an app on your device, an unexpected call and notification, or even an open door in your room. Anything that could caught you off guard, capture your attention, and interrupt your focus. Second, eliminate. Be merciless. Eliminate all identified distractions. If it's not possible to eliminate something entirely, at least try to weaken its impact. This may entail closing the door, switching your phone off, or changing the environment altogether. Be efficient. This is not about going to a long cleaning session of your room or your phone. Eliminate as much as necessary and as little as possible. You have to be honest and merciless. Third, now work and evaluate. Do a focus session and evaluate your focus afterwards. I usually aim for 90 minutes, which goes back to the biological concept of ultradian rhythms discovered by researcher Nathaniel Kleitman and recently made popular by Andrew Huberman. 90 minutes is roughly a good time block to stay focused on a cognitively demanding task before I experience a noticeable dip in energy levels. The evaluation of your focus session should yield clarity. When and because of what did your focus get interrupted? Fourth, repeat. eliminate the newly identified distractions, do another focus session, and again evaluate at the end. Repeat until your environment is truly distraction-proof and actually supporting you to focus. This will then be your serene focus environment where you can be efficient and do deep work. Your productivity will increase significantly and you'll get much more done than before. Now, you might be asking, what about the mental environment? Shouldn't we also declutter our thoughts and strengthen our focus muscle? Of course you should do that, and I will make some videos in the future on that as it is also of paramount importance. But first, take the quick wins. Reap the benefits of decluttering your physical and digital environment. It's much faster and easier, and you will need less focus muscle to achieve the same results. This is efficiency. You will be less prone to feeling overwhelmed and stressed. The chaos on the outside reflects on the inside. Decluttering your external environment will reflect positively on your internal environment. External order will support the creation of internal order. So to wrap up, remember, take some burden off your brain and declutter your environment. Consciously scan and identify potential distractions. Be merciless and eliminate them. Then do a focus session and evaluate it afterwards. Repeat this cycle until you're able to do uninterrupted work. This is important because the quality of your focus heavily determines the quality of your success. It's not a huge revelation, but it doesn't have to be. Sometimes it's the simple things that make the biggest impact. So I hope you found this video valuable. If yes, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more content. It really supports me and the channel. And I'm looking forward to hear your thoughts in the comment section how you choose and order your environment for maximum success. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Have a good one.